Alright guys, so early morning vlog. I'm just off to the cookhouse at the moment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video last night, guys. So this is day 2 of the goddamn challenge. Anyway, I'm off to the cookhouse, get something to eat real quick, and basically, yeah, just gonna check what's on the menu. The video dropped last night. Hope you guys did enjoy it. You know what I mean? It took me a good extra hour to upload it, but you know what I mean, I think it was worth it in the end of the day. Also, make sure you go and check Dan videos out as well, guys, yeah? Because you don't know, challenge have to be about someone else, innit? So make sure you go and check his video out. And yeah, you know what I mean, drop him a like, drop him a comment. You know what I mean? Overall, looking forward for today, to be honest. You know what I mean? It's hard, man, to go on and get these content, you know what I mean? Especially now with the lockdown and everything. Took 1 day's leave. Just gonna go and sort my vehicle out. But before I do that, my friend, let's go and get something in the tum tum. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you don't know, drop a like and share, and also comment as well. Play a big part. Come on, let's see what's in the kitchen. Quick breakfast. Basically, what's on the menu? No, let's go and find out. Alright guys, really and truly, there's nothing much on the menu. Just a few bits. One I want to go for, regular thing, sausage, egg, baked bean and porridge. And also egg as well. You don't know, man needs a protein in it. I mean, what's the price now for breakfast? Well, it's $1.47, yeah? Which is not too bad, you know, and you're getting this really. So this is what you get. Well, obviously, man, I got that more porridge. Because I love my porridge. So yeah, basically guys, you get all of this for $1.47, you know, which is really cheap. So as I said, recap. Baked bean, sausage, hash brown, or really don't chili as much. Porridge over there. We got 2 squash, 3 eggs. I think that's a bargain, my friend. It's a good deal. Come on, let's go. Time to hit the road, my G. No brainer. 146 or 147? One out of the two. There's a pence difference, but anyway, it's really good. Just gonna go now, head back, grab my vehicle, and I need to drop it off to the garage. So let's do this, baby. Alright guys, so basically I just put up a charging station. Yeah, just get some juice in the car. Running slightly a bit low. I just hope that I don't have to wait for too long. Breakfast today was absolutely delicious, I would say. For what you get for your money, you know what I mean, is a no-brainer. There's no way we get something like that on Civil Street. You know what I mean, Mac 2 pays maybe 6 quid or more. You know, what's on the menu today, you know what I mean, I don't know. So let's find out for lunch and dinner. You know what I mean, I can't wait to see what's on the hot plate. And also, if you guys have experience with the army meals, yeah, drop me a comment below, guys. Tell me what you think about it. If it's healthy or if it's bad for you, let me know. You know what I mean? Obviously, I've got my own opinion on it. You know what I mean? But I'll save that for next time, yeah? But I want to hear what you guys think about it. deal is now, so I'm just gonna pop in and drop the keys off. So I should definitely be there for lunch. Let's see what's up. Let's do it. Finish my service. This keeps falling out, man. I need to get a new one. Bugging. So at the moment now, I'm just gonna head back now to camp. Hopefully I can catch lunch. That's my main aim. So I need to get back ASAP-ish and see what they have on the menu, guys. Yeah, the inspection came back. Everything's all good. So yeah, super buzzing about that. I don't have to spend a bloody arm and a leg. Alright guys, so as I said before, I'm on day off today, so I'm just gonna help one of the lads out. Lunchtime now, so pop to the cookhouse, check it out, see what they have in store. You alright?
Yeah.
What's this one? Sausage.
Pepperoni pizza.
What's this one?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
You must have everything.
No, I'm actually eating.
What is it?
And rice, potato, baked bean.
Why are you leaving it then? Why?
Ain't got. Alright, so this is me right here, guys. I know it doesn't look really too healthy. However, not bad price. You know what I mean? I'm gonna sum it up later, let you know what's up. Alright, so I've just covered duty for one of the lads. As I said before, guys, I'm on leave. So I just pop in to give him a quick hand. The main point of this vlog today is just to show you what I've eaten throughout the day. So obviously breakfast, lunch, dinner, and obviously the cost of it as well. Alright, my G. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I know people from up north normally say tea time, but down this side, my G, is dinner time. So guys, you seen breakfast this morning, I already revealed how much it costs. I had lunch earlier and I'm now in the next 20 minutes time I'm gonna have dinner. And basically for lunch, I would say for me personally, that is not something what we normally go for, but I just have to have something to eat because we're starving. It's not best as a meal, it's not something what you would say is proper on the healthier side, but as I said, there's something what you have to just go with. You know what I mean, how you feel about the cornmeal. If you ever had cornmeal before, drop me a comment below, let me know what's up. I'll read through it and hopefully put my little stamp on it as well. For dinner, guys, I'm absolutely looking out for the sponge cake because I'm a massive sponge cake fan. I don't know what's on the menu. This whole vlog is basically about cornmeal, guys. It's something I've never really done before. I'm looking out for dinner because lunch I didn't really enjoy it as such. So hopefully we have something good. Just gonna pop up now. We got like, and as I said, 20. I'm just gonna pop downstairs, grab something real quick, and then I'm gonna head up towards the cookhouse. See what they have on the menu. Come on, let's go. All right, guys. So back in the cookhouse now. So I'm gonna see what they got on for dinner. So let's check the menu.
Tomato soup, rice.
Chicken, what chicken is this?
Tomato soup.
Yeah, tomato soup. Okay.
You got chicken fricassee, you got lemon butter coat loin, gammon with pineapple glaze, croquettes, cauliflower green beans, lemon sponge, and you've got
favorite right there, man.
rice pudding.
Rice pudding, yeah, and custard, and obviously cake over here.
And then you've got lemon meringue, black forest gatto, and you've got some cobbler truffles.
Yeah, something nice one, man. Appreciate it. Cheers. Alright, so you know what I'm going for, yeah? I think there's a lot on the menu today. Looking really good. To be honest, I didn't expect all of this. Grab myself a plate and set up. Just gonna head back. I got less than 1 hour 30 to edit this video and put it out. Pray for me. Hope you guys enjoy it as well. If you don't know, like, share and subscribe, and tune in for day 3. Bigger and better to come tomorrow. So let's go, baby. See you later. Peace.